Tim Hardy, who you already heard of, is a great person and understands the importance of juvenile justice. And collectively, we've come up with a new court, a success court. And what that court is SEP that goes to what you were talking about, the assessments. That we have a pilot program that's just begun. And the idea is we take kids 15 years old up to 18, low risk, they're on the ASJAS scoring, and then they do a series of life skills is what they do. And right now, this ties into the kids at Hope. The categories are home and family, education and career, hobbies and recreation, community and services, and then there's 4 separate modules within each of those. And then they have to do certain things. And then I decided that drug court works in part because you come back and see the judge. So I decided success court, the kids are gonna come see me. And they're gonna come and see me every other Tuesday. And they're not just going to see me during the day because we wanted the parents' participation. So this idiot sitting up here decided that he was gonna do it from 5:30 to 7:30 at night so the parents could actually come and participate. Now maybe that won't work, but we're gonna give it a whirl and see how it goes. And so that's what we've done. Now, in the long range, what I envision is to have success court encompass all of probation. Everything, all of probation will be success court. And not only that, but we're gonna add humanities, art, theater, and music to it. We're gonna add financial responsibility. We're gonna add right versus wrong. I teach ethics around the state to lawyers. So we're gonna, I've had so many kids stand in front of me. Why did you take that from Walmart? Because I wanted it. Okay, well, that's a good, honest answer. Or I don't know, which I got mad at kids when I first got down there because I thought they were lying to me, and then I realized they don't know. So it's been a real experience for me and a learning process because, I'm 4 years in, but I've got a lot to learn and a long way to go. And Rick Miller and others, I'm a voracious reader, and I asked Rick Miller, what should I read? He said, read Dr. Gardner. I read Dr. Gardner. Read David and Goliath. I read David and Goliath. I've read all kinds of books. I read a book recently from called The Originals by Adam Grant. He's a professor at Penn Wharton. And it talks about the theory of the original way of thinking, and the people that are going to rule the world are the nonconformist creative person. And it's a great book if you haven't read it. And it really dovetails into the Kids at Hope philosophy.